Feel, heal, thrive. Feel, heal, thrive with the help of Bach Flower Remedies. Welcome back, my dear. In this episode, we explore how Bach Flower Remedies support emotional cleansing and a gentle spring cleaning of the heart, helping us release, reset, and reconnect with ourselves. Spring is a time of renewal, not just in nature, but within us. Just as we open the windows and clear our physical spaces, we can also release emotional heaviness and invite fresh energy in. Gently, we'll explore how these remedies can help let go of emotional weight, quiet inner noise, and open space for something lighter to emerge. So here's my invitation to pause, breathe, and return to yourself with the help of Bach Flower Remedies. This is your space to listen to your inner voice, to your true emotions, and start healing from within. Before we begin, let's take a few moments to become fully present, so we can gently observe what we are feeling and notice which remedy or remedies may deeply resonate with us today. Let's arrive here together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. And now we begin. Do you feel weighed down by self-criticism? By noticing what you don't like about yourself? Or is there a subtle sense of not feeling clean within yourself? Crabapple, the cleanser. Crabapple helps us release shame and self-judgment and the feeling that something in us needs to be cleansed or purified. This time of year is a period of transition between the dark, cold winter and the fall light and warmth of summer. Do you feel somehow unsettled or not quite right during this period? Walnut, the transition ally. Walnut supports us in adapting to new beginnings and staying centered during change. Have you been experiencing a heaviness that comes and goes without any reason? like a cloud you can't quite explain. Mustard, let the sunshine in. Mustard dissolves the sudden and inexplicable states of despondency, and dispelling those inner dark clouds brings back positivity and joy. Spring invites growth, but where are you growing toward? Wild Oat, clarity and direction. Wild Oat is a friend that gently holds our hand and guides us toward the right direction, our true path, helping us find clarity and purpose. How is your inner sparkle doing this spring? Do you feel like you've lost it and are simply letting life pass you by rather than enjoying each moment? Wild Rose, motivation and enthusiasm. Wild Rose helps heal emotional apathy or quiet resignation and brings back engagement, interest, and life energy. And how about your energy levels? Do you feel tired already in the morning just at the thought of doing things? Do your daily tasks feel too much, so you procrastinate, only to find once you start that you are actually fine? Hornbeam, you have all you need. Hornbeam is the remedy for mental fatigue and procrastination. It dissolves the doubt that we are not ready to start and restores motivation and fresh energy to begin without hesitation. Are you exhausted after going through a stressful time of hard work, family issues, or health concerns? Are you experiencing burnout? Olive, restoration of energy. When we are mentally, emotionally, or physically exhausted to the point that everyday life becomes heavy and difficult, Olive supports our renewal and recharge. Are you having difficulties staying focused because your mind slips away from the present into what could be rather than staying grounded here and now? Clematis, from dreaming to doing. Clematis reconnects us to the present moment and supports us in actively pursuing what is currently only a future idea in our mind, rather than staying in fantasy, daydreaming, so focus and clarity return. Are you stressed, and is your mind looping the same thoughts and worries over and over again? White Chestnut, calmness of mind. White Chestnut quiets our mental chatter so that we find inner peace and tension is released. Do you carry guilt even when you've done your best? Pine, self-forgiveness. Pine helps us let go of guilt and self-judgment, so self-compassion and acceptance can bloom again, allowing us to move forward with a lighter heart. Do you feel stuck in resentment, replaying past hurts, or feeling people or life have been unfair? Willow, releasing resentment. Willow helps us let go of resentment, blame, and self-pity so that we can forgive and set ourselves free from those deep emotional burdens that are keeping us from being proactive in building a better outcome for ourselves. Do you have moments of irritation, jealousy, suspicion, or closing of the heart? Holy, opening the heart. Holy supports us in releasing anger, jealousy, or suspicion, opening to love and generosity, so that emotional warmth and harmony are restored. Do you keep making the same mistakes and realize you're always stuck in repetitive patterns? Chestnut Bud, learning from experience. Chestnut Bud supports us in being fully present and open to getting the best from every life experience, so we can grow wisely and remain open to new ones. Do you find yourself living in memories, longing for what has been rather than what is? Honeysuckle, releasing the past. Honeysuckle helps us release nostalgia or longing for the past and brings us back to the present moment, preparing us for emotional renewal. Spring reminds us that renewal is natural and available to us. With the gentle support of Bach Flower Remedies, you can release what no longer serves you, soften what feels heavy, and open your heart to new possibilities. These are just some of the remedies available to you for a perfectly personalized and, as Dr. Bach taught us, very effective and deeply transformative mix. And by exploring all of them, you can define the perfect spring emotional cleansing mix for you. Bach Flower Remedies are 100% natural and safe for everyone, so you're free to start your emotional healing journey on your own and right away. 38 remedies allow for hundreds of millions of possible combinations, so your perfect mix is already out there. You simply need to find it. If you'd like some guidance, you can subscribe to my newsletter at feel-heal-thrive.com and receive your emotional healing starter kit. It is free and it is my gift to you. If you want to connect directly with me, you can also book a 20-minute introductory call, free as well. Or you can book a full 1-hour one-to-one online consultation with me. All the links are in the episode description. Thank you again for being here. And until next time, take care of yourself and your emotions, softly, fully, and with presence. Talk very soon. I'm Elena Amaro, Bach Flower Remedies expert, professional practitioner, and Bach Foundation registered practitioner, and this is Feel, Heal, Thrive.